Alright, so it is our third day in the new space, and we're starting to, well, we've been ripping out walls and we want to start to customize the space to work for our shop. But one of the main things we have to do today is to get the dust extraction system up. So we're going to get this guy mounted on the wall here, and then we'll run piping over to that, and that removes all the dust extraction from the CNC when it's running. And then the next step is to really clear all this old shelving and all the debris and stuff out of here, and start to clean the space out, because there's 30 years of dust in here, and it's pretty gross. So working away on that.
Alright, so we are in the process of trying to organize this space a little bit. You can see here we have mounds and mounds of scrap wood that were taken from the old shop, and never realize how much stuff you have until you have to move it. So over in this area we'll have mainly the kind of machine area here, and then up here on this elevated platform we have the rollable workbenches. These will all be cleared out. Obviously we kind of have to build our tool storage organization. So this will mainly be like an assembly area.
Alright, so I am back in our old workshop, and I'm in the storage room where we have not all, but nearly all of our Kickstarter orders that we've been storing here. So that's why it's really important that we get the new shop space set up, so we can get all these pieces over, and we need to give them the final sand and finishing. And then for a lot of the legs, they've just come straight off the CNC, so they're still a 2D profile. And we need to route those down to give them those curved edges, softer edges. So we are making great progress on the orders, on the Kickstarter orders. A little bit behind schedule because of the unexpected move to the new workshop. Obviously a great opportunity for us, but we didn't expect it to be happening. So yeah, here you can see huge portion of the orders here, and we're going to get these horizontal storage racks back to the new space and get working on fulfilling these orders and shipping them out. So shouldn't be too long. So it's been an amazing week of progress for us. We've almost completed the move from our old space to the new workshop. We've brought all the materials, our equipment, tools, machines. We've ripped down walls, we've thrown out shelves. So yeah, it's really exciting to see the new workshop take shape. And we're doing all of this while juggling the production and the fulfillment of the Hoek orders. And we also have a couple of custom jobs for A05 on the go as well. So it's definitely been a very busy week, but it's super exciting to see this new space come together. If there's any topics that you guys would like us to cover in the vlog, perhaps you want us to look at a bit of design, you want us to look at business or fabrication topics, definitely leave those in the comment section below, and we'd be happy to take a look at those. If you know anyone who would like this vlog series, definitely share it, and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.